know about the f-string in Python. So if you know about the f-string in Python, then you will comment your answer in the comment box, right? So today we are going to talk about the an f-string in Python, right? So first of all, we will see what is f-string in Python. An f-string is a way to insert variables into a string, right? If you are going to insert the variables into a string, that method is known as what? F-string in Python, right? So there are three methods. First one is old, and second one is format method, and third one is called f-string, or we will call it as a f-string in Python, right? So we will do with the examples, right? First of all, we will create the two variables. One is name and second one is age, right? Because we are going to insert the variable into string, right? So we will create the name, write the name variable. We will store the string, right? Suppose we have a name. Then after we will write the age, right? Age is equal to 29, right? Now I will use the first old method, right? we will call it a we will call it as a old method, right? So this is first method, we call it as a old method, right? So now we are going to print the name and age according to first method or old method. The function, write the print function, then after we will write the double quotation mark, right? Then after I will print my name. My name is then after I will use the double quotation mark, right? Then after I will use the double plus sign. Then after I will write the name in between, right? Name, right? Then after I will write and I am. Then after again I will write the double quotation mark. Then after I will write the plus sign, double plus sign, right? It's very tricky old method, right? So then I will write the str, because जब भी ओल्ड मेथड था तब हम जो इंटीजर था उसको str में कन्वर्ट करके बाद में ऐड करते थे, राइट? तो हम इसको यूज कर सकते हैं जैसे एज, right? So now I will write the years old, right? And I will use the now I am going to print on the screen. So this is my name is Jalwat and I am 29 years old, right? So now I will use the second method, right? So second method is also known as what? The format method, right? Format method, in which we will use the formative method, right? So same, I will print the same function. I will write the print. Then after I will write the double quotation mark. Then I will write my name is. I will use the curly bracket, right? Then after I will write the end. I am. Uh, and also use the curly bracket, second curly bracket. Then use the years old. Then after I will use the format method, right? For format. Then I will write the name, comma, age, right? So this is called the format method, right? So my name is Jalwat. I am 29 years old, right? And now the last third one is called the method is f string, right? F string, or we call it as a modern method, right? So now we will print the same function, same name and age with the modern method, right? So I will write the print, then I will write the parenthesis, right? Then also I will write the double quotation mark, right? In the before double quotation mark, I will write the if, right? So I will write the same, my name is curly bracket, right? And I will write the name of variable, right? And then after all, I will write the I'm age, right? Yes, old. So this is called the f string in Python, right? This is called the modern method. So this is the output of all methods. So first one is old method, and second one is called format method, and third one is called f string or modern method, right? So now this is all about the f string in Python, right? If you are new on my YouTube channel, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.